Hi, I'm Mark Dolph, Curator of History at Gilcrease Museum. The many themed gardens that surround the museum are currently presenting their full spring color, and the thousands of azaleas are reaching the peak of their brilliance. If possible, please plan to visit the gardens while they're at the height of their spring glory. I know you will enjoy it. One garden in particular, the Colonial Garden, got me to thinking about one of the museum's very special and unexpected treasures, the book New Principles of Gardening by Batty Langley. Batty Langley was a noted landscape architect whose designs broke away from the very formal style of gardens that were fashionable in England during the late 17th and early 18th centuries. New Principles of Gardening, first published in 1728, presented a freer, less restrictive style of landscape design. Langley succinctly described his design philosophy in his book's introduction. New Principles of Gardening, or the laying out and planting parterres, groves, wildernesses, labyrinths, avenues, parks, and such, after a more grand and rural manner than has been done before, with experimental directions for raising the several kinds of fruit trees, forest trees, evergreens, and flowering shrubs which gardens are adorned. Langley's guide contains meticulous descriptions of how the principles of geometry can be applied to the design of gardens, including rules on the location and arrangement of gardens in a rural setting. But what really makes the Gilcrease copy of Langley's book so special is who it belonged to: George Washington. Washington truly was, in the words of Henry Lighthorse Harry Lee, first in war, first in peace, and first in the hearts of his countrymen. Washington led the Continental Army to victory over the British to establish American independence in 1783. In 1787, he presided over the convention that drafted our enduring form of national government, the U.S. Constitution. And he served the nation as our first duly elected president, with 100% of the electoral votes in 1789 and again unanimously in the 1792 election. Washington's farewell address to the American people, issued as a public letter in 1796, remains to this day one of the most profound statements of American political values. Notably, it stressed the importance of unity between the people of America. This strength of unity, 224 years later, will see us through our current struggles as we stay together by staying apart.